So you finally scraped together your first $1,000. Congratulations. Now you have two choices. Choice A, you can listen to Crypto Bro 99 on Twitter, buy a meme coin, and watch your money evaporate faster than a puddle in the Sahara. Choice B, you can use the lazy method, ignore the market, and actually get rich. If you like money but hate working for it, welcome to the lazy capitalist. The stock picking trap. Here is the truth. Wall Street doesn't want you to know picking stocks is gambling. Imagine trying to guess which raindrop will hit the ground first. That is what trying to pick the next Amazon is like. Hedge fund managers get paid millions to pick stocks, and 90% of them still lose to the market average over the long run. If a guy in a $5,000 suit with a Bloomberg terminal can't beat the market, neither can you. So, stop trying. It's exhausting. We are lazy. We don't do exhausting. The solution: buy the haystack. The father of lazy investing, Jack Bogle, had a famous saying: "Don't look for the needle in the haystack, just buy the haystack." Instead of trying to pick the one winning company, you buy all of them. This is called an index fund or an ETF. Specifically, something that tracks the S&P 500. When you buy one share of an S&P 500 ETF, like VOO or SPY, you instantly own a tiny slice of the 500 biggest, baddest companies in America. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, they all work for you now. The magic of set it and forget it. Here is the beauty of this. If Apple crashes, who cares? You still have 499 other companies. If a new company gets huge, it gets added to the list automatically. You don't read news, you don't analyze charts, you don't panic. Historically, this lazy portfolio returns about 10% per year on average. That $1,000 invested today with just $100 added every month grows into huge numbers over decades thanks to the compound interest. Your money is having babies, and those babies are having babies. And you are doing absolutely nothing. Enough talk. Here is your tutorial. 1. Download a brokerage app. Fidelity, Schwab, Robinhood, I don't care. 2. Link your bank account and transfer that $1,000. 3. Search for the ticker symbol VOO or VTI. 4. Click Buy. This is the most important part. Delete the app. Seriously, delete it. Don't look at it tomorrow. Don't look at it next week. Come back in 30 years when you're ready to buy the yacht. Investing isn't about being smarter than everyone else. It's about being more patient than everyone else. Take the boring path. Let the American economy make you rich while you nap. If you want to know how to save up that next $1,000, hit subscribe, stay lazy.